Our work is very specialized for kitchen companies and bathroom companies, and then we are producing a lot of glass boxes for inventory companies who are making stores for jewelry and clothes, stuff like that. We produce shower doors and mirrors on special sizes with light, make-up mirrors, as you can see, where we cut a hole in the mirror and glue it inside. And we are gluing a lot of glass boxes for the inventory business. Our customer needs good quality on the grinding, and of course it's very important that the measure are perfect. Our highest wish is that we produce the most beautiful edge of the glass. So the seam is perfect, the flat edge is perfect. Every hole in the cutouts are perfect. So when our customer receives the glass, we can tell for 100% that it cannot be better. It's a very good machine, Biesse. We have worked with it for 15 years now, and at the moment we have 3 machines, a cutting line.
Simple system that is easy to work with from machine to machine, which is really nice. Means I can work on one machine, make the programs on there, and I can then transfer them to the other machine and then set it up for that way. The precision of the machines is also really good. I think here at Bech, one of the things that we strive is our quality.